Much of a BA's value is created in the room, running interviews and workshops where requirements and decisions emerge. Strong facilitation turns a chaotic meeting into a productive one. Core facilitation skills: preparation, clear agenda, defined outcomes, the right people in the room. Neutral stance: facilitate the conversation. Don't dominate it. Active listening: paraphrase. Summarize, check understanding. So, what I'm hearing is powerful questioning, open questions. What does success look like? Overclosed questions. Is this okay? Visualization: use whiteboards, sticky notes, or digital boards. Miro, to make thinking visible. Question types to master. Open, invite exploration. Tell me about. Probing, go deeper. Why is that important? Clarifying, remove ambiguity. Do you mean X or Y? Hypothetical test ideas. What if we. Handling difficult moments. Dominant voices redirect. Thank you, let's hear from someone else. Silence: ask a direct, open question to a specific person. Conflict: name it calmly. I can see we disagree, let's understand why. Try this. Prepare 5 workshop questions for a stakeholder session about a new staff intranet. Include at least one of each: open, probing, clarifying, and hypothetical.